Yes, Prithviraj, okay. Rajyalakshmi, Ravi, Kotipalli. Yeah. Vinitarani, Yoga Isha, okay. Pratyusha, Padasarati, okay. Nasinka, Ram, Dhanalakshmi, Ajar, Akanksha. Right, who you have attended, almost everybody is repeated. I'm happy for that. Right, Astrosh also there. Perfect. So yeah, without delay, I will start our class. Ram, share your screen. Everybody understand the installation process like yesterday? Kindly respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right, thank you. Yes, wait. Let it be like this, Ram. Let it be like this. Okay, don't do anything. Right. I want this one actually. Yes, right. So in the last class we have wait. Stay in the browser. Please stay in the browser. That's what I'm telling you now. Don't go anywhere. So in the last class we have successfully installed the Angular. So yeah, we have run our Angular application also. Okay, right. Now today onwards we are going to learn some practical things about Angular. Okay, so how to install Angular already completed. Now we need to understand the basic structure. We need to understand the basic structure related to Angular. Basic structure related to Angular. Before that, what is the things we need to do whenever you want to run our Angular application? Okay, so daily first step, what is the step we need to do? So yesterday, if you type here localhost 4200, it displayed an application, right? Respond everybody. Respond.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you have typed here,
Install.
yeah, localhost for 4200, immediately displayed Angular application. But now Ram is trying to type here localhost for 4200. It is telling that this site can't be reached, right? This site can't be reached. Why it is telling like this? Yesterday, before running our application, one thing we did. What is that? One thing we did. What is that? Yesterday, before running our
NG
application, we
server.
did one thing. What is that? NG serve. So that step has to be repeated daily. And not only daily, whenever you want to practice at that every time. At that time, at that moment, every time. So that means if you want to run your application, we must use ng serve. We must use ng serve. Okay, if you want to run your application, we must use ng serve. Okay, right? Without that, it can't be run our application in the browser. Without ng serve, our application can't be run in the browser. So how to start it? So first of all, where we install it, that particular directory we need to go. In the RAM case, he has installed in the E drive. So now go to the command prompt, Ram. First of all, we need to go to the command prompt. Ram, open the command prompt. You there, Ram?
Sir.
Yeah, go to the command
Hello?
prompt. Yeah, open the
Yeah,
command prompt. Your computer is stuck maybe. Yes. Wait one second. Huh? Yeah, wait one second. Yeah, wait. I think it is slow maybe. So he has opened the command prompt and then he went to the E drive. Okay, and he is in now E drive. Okay, right. Now what is the thing we need to do? We need to switch to our application directory. Yeah, type there cd space ramu hyphen angular hyphen practice. Other persons also repeat it. Okay, cd space ramu hyphen angular hyphen practice. Press there enter. But without telling any command, don't execute Ram. Okay, right? I will tell, then only
okay.
execute. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, press there enter Ram. cd space
Yeah,
ramu.
I went to the directory, sir. I pressed enter key.
Okay, maybe some internet problem maybe. That's why today. right. Now after going to the E drive, that is also our application directory. After reaching our application directory, after redirecting to our application directory, whatever it may be, okay, after redirecting to our application directory, then we must use ng serve. Every time we need to use it. Okay, once you close your Angular application, once you command prompt, if you close your command prompt, then immediately it will lose that internet application. So yes, yeah, okay. So as long as this ng serve is available in the command prompt, up to that time only you can access your Angular application. Yes, as long as this ng serve command is available in the command prompt, up to that time only you can access your Angular application. Once you close this command prompt, you are not able to access it. Okay, right now type there ram ng space serve. Click there and write there ng space serve and press enter. I think it is taking a little bit delay. Yeah, right. See, daily you need to follow this step, everybody. Okay, daily you need to follow this step before coming to this. Okay, right. So still it is going some person. It is processing something. Right. Today Malish is not here. Right. Yeah, this is completed. Right. Now go to the browser. Yeah, now refresh this page. Automatically it will come. Yeah, refresh the page. Right, coming or not? Respond everybody. Coming or not application?
Yes,
Hello. Okay, right. It is coming. So, what is the step we need to do? Every time we need to redirect to our application, and then we need to start ng start. As long as this ng service available, as long as this ng service available, up to there only we can access this application. Okay, right. From where this page is coming, how Angular application is running, okay, and how to develop an Angular, how to develop an application, how to develop an application by using Angular. So this is the basic things we need to know in the starting classes. These are basic things we need to know in the starting classes. First of all, how to open Angular application in the code editor. First of all, what do you think to do? How to open Angular application in the code editor. So, for all TypeScript related technologies, for all TypeScript related technologies and JavaScript related technologies, Visual Studio Code will be good choice. What is that IDE name? Visual Studio Code. Okay, anybody don't know, just go to the google.com, type there Visual Studio Code, name itself code, Visual Studio Code. Don't think Visual Studio and then after we write code, what code we need to write like that. Itself it is a name called code, that's it. Visual Studio Code download. Okay everybody, right. After that, yeah, type there Ram, go to the google.com, type there Visual Studio Code download in the Google. Why your system is sucking today too much? Yeah, go to google.com, type there Visual Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download. Right, now open the first link. Ram, did you open it?
Opened it.
Yeah. Why your computer is checking today? You want to restart your computer or what? Yeah?
Just I will stop sharing and I will share again, sir, once.
Yeah, okay. Stop share and reshare. That means leave the session, come again. Better. Leave the session,
Okay.
come again. Yeah, I will wait for you.
Now can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, maybe you have stopped, but I'm able to see your screen. Once
I
leave this,
shared again.
yeah, now you have stopped. Now it is sharing. Wait 1 second. I think some internet delay is there, Ram. That's why. Now I'm not able to see. Yeah, now I am sharing screen. Right, see here, Visual Studio Code, okay, it is coming. Then after see there, if your computer is Windows, if your operating system is Windows, click on the Windows. Or else if yours is Linux or Ubuntu, click there. Okay, or else if your computer is a Mac, then click on the Mac. Understand it everybody? Kindly respond. Respond kindly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. It is available for this Windows 8, 10, and 11. Okay, in this version, this Visual Studio Code will be available. Is available. Okay, in this version, this Visual Studio Code is available and will be also. And will be available also. Okay, right. So already he has installed Visual Studio Code. So now if you want to install, just click on the Windows symbol and click on next, 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 and finally finish. That's it. After installing Visual Studio Code, we must open the Visual Studio Code. Open that Visual Studio Code, Ram. Open that Visual Studio Code. Right. Then after what is the thing we need to do is, yeah, minimize this RAM TypeScript practice now. Minimize RAM or TypeScript practice. Left side. And close all the files, whatever it is open there, close all. On the left side, minimize that arrow mark. Ram, do one thing, Ram. Leave the session, come again, please. It is very stucky. If you don't mind. Hello? Hello, Ram.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. Once leave
Okay,
the session.
sir.
Yeah, once leave the session and come again. Yeah. Is any other person is ready to share this thing if it is not working second time? Astosh or Dhanlakshmi? Okay. Ram, leave the session, come again. Okay. Right. Leave the session, come again. Hello, Ram, are you there? I think he left the session. Right. He will join again. We will continue. Sir, I'm having some issues with my laptop. So, yeah, it's okay, Dhanlakshmi. Right. Yeah, hi Divya, good evening.
Hi, sir. Hi. Good evening, sir. I'm sorry
Yeah,
for the late, sir.
yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Last 2 days you did not attend, right?
Yes, sir. I
Just
was so busy somewhere.
okay, okay, right, right. Okay. Angular installation completed. Okay, that video I will upload by tomorrow. Okay, right. You can watch that
Okay,
video.
sir. Yeah, I'll
And today,
follow up with the video, sir.
yeah, right. And today you didn't miss anything. Just I'm giving the introduction again. That means how to start
Okay.
Angular application. And Ram went to the
Okay.
offset, so he's not here still.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
any
Okay.
right. Any other person, please respond. Who is ready to share their screen? Why to waste time? Please respond. Vinita, Yashwant,
Sir,
yeah, please.
I'm downloading, sir. Visual Studio.
Visual Studio. Who? Visual, Vinita, you? Or
I
Akanksha?
think
Akanksha.
Ram is available right now, sir.
Yeah, Ram is available. Right, right. Yeah, right. 1 second. Yeah, Ram is here. Right, 1 second. Yeah, Ram, share your screen now. Yeah, now open Visual Studio Code. Right, this is what I want. Now close all the files from here. Close all the files. Wait 1 second, please. Not there. Wait 1 second, Ram. I will control. Right, no, wait 1 second, Ram, please. Right click. Right click. Why I'm not? Yeah. Close all. Right click. Close all. Right, now minimize this. Right, first of all, what is the thing we need to do is after installing Visual Studio Code, we need to go to the file menu. Observe here, what is that? We need to go to the file menu. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th option. What is that option name? Add folder to workspace. Add folder to workspace. 8th option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th option. Okay, where it is available? In the file menu. Add folder to workspace. Click there. After clicking on it, then it will go to the E drive. Okay, so go to that particular directory and then select your application. That's it. Don't double click. Just select and click on add. Just select and click on add. So that is available in the click on yes. So that is available in the left side of your workspace here in the Visual Studio Code. This is your Angular application. So first of all, what is the thing we need to do is whenever you open any new Angular application, whatever it may be, first go to the package.json file. What is that? Package.json file. Okay, so here you can find some dependencies. That means packages list. Whatever the basic packages are required, Angular related, that you can find it here. Okay, everybody, right? And this is div dependencies means for development purpose, we need to install some packages. That information you can find it there. That purpose we can find it here. Okay, everybody, right? This is for application purpose. This is for application development purpose, developer purpose, developer purpose. Okay, right? So if you install any third-party package, if you install any package, okay, other than this packages, default packages, that list also available here. Understanding my point? Respond kindly, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the
Yes, sir.
package.json, yeah, in the package.json, you can find all the packages information, okay, right. Now, what is the thing you need to do is, we need to go to the, wait 1 second, we need to go to the src folder. What is that? Src folder. We need to go to the src folder. This is there, you can find this. Okay, assets, index.html, main.ts, these things. Okay, so here you can find here yap folder. What is this? This is a folder called yap. This is called yap component. That means if you want to develop your application, if you want to develop your application by using Angular, okay, by using Angular, we need to divide your application into components. We need to divide your application into components. For example, I have 4 pages: home, about, services, contact. For example, I have 4 pages: home, about, services, contact. Then how many components I need to create? Respond everyone. How many
Four
components I need to?
components.
4 components. For what purpose? Home, about, services, and contact purpose. And in every page, header, footer, menu is common or not? Header, footer, menu is common or very different? Respond.
Common.
Common.
Yes, sir.
Header is common.
That purpose, how many components I need to create? Header,
Four
home header,
Header component and footer component.
and menu component. Okay. Now, okay, we need to create 3 components only, not home header, about header, services header, contact header, home footer, about footer, services footer, contact footer, like that. Never create like that. Okay, just create a component for header, create a component for footer, create a component for menu. So that what happens? We can utilize that header component in the home, about, services, and contact. That means components are reusable code. Understanding my point? What are those? Components are reusable code. Understanding it, everybody? Okay.
Yes.
So if there is a view and there is a functionality, then definitely we need to create a component. And that component can be reusable also. Okay, everybody. So by default, what component will come? Respond. By default, which component will come? By default, app component. How many
App,
files?
app component.
Yeah,
Yes.
right,
App
perfect.
component.
Yes, perfect. How many files it is containing? App routing modular TS, app component.css, app component.html, app component.spec.ts.
Dot.
Yeah, one second. You can ignore this spec.ts. This is related to testing, so you can ignore this completely. Okay, right. And this is important. App component.ts and app module.ts. This is the file. In this, app module.ts is very important for our Angular application. Which file is very important? Respond, everybody. Which file is
App
very important?
module.ts.
App module dot ts.
App modular.ts. Why? Because this is our heart of our application. What is that? Heart of our application. So what heart will do in our human body? Respond, please. What heart will do in our human body?
We
What
Will
heart will
consolidate.
supply blood to every
Get to
organ.
all the organs.
It will pump the blood to each and every organ. How? Through nerves. That means each and every organ should have connection with our heart. Each and every organ should have connection with our heart, directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. Okay. Like that, each and everything related to Angular application. Each and everything related to Angular application. We should call into the app module TS directly or indirectly. Understanding my point? Each and everything related to Angular application, we should call into this app module TS directly or indirectly. Understand that? Why we need to call here? Why? Because whenever you have typed their ng serve, whenever you have typed their ng serve in the command prompt here, whenever you have typed here ng serve command prompt from here, then ng module from all the modules will be called automatically. Ng module from all the modules. For example, here we have only two modules, app module and app routing module. And if you create any other module, that also will contain this ng module. So from all the modules, first of all, this ng module will call. Okay, especially this app module ts ng module will call. Understand it, everybody? Which ng module will call will first? App module ts related ng module. So what are the things you are putting in the declarations array? What are the things you are putting in the imports array? What are the things you are putting in the providers array? Those things can be called, those things only converted into JavaScript. Those things only converted into JavaScript. After converting into the JavaScript only, browser can understand. Then only we will get proper output. Understanding my point? Please respond. So first of all, we need to import here and then we need to paste it here. So components we need to paste in the declarations array. Modules we need to paste in the imports array. Understanding my point? Okay. Components we need to paste in the declarations array. Modules we need to paste in the where? Imports array. Interceptors are there means we need to paste it in the providers array. In the providers array. This entire application we need to bootstrap. Bootstrap means what? You know, rice bag, right? What is that? That is a bootstrap only. So we are putting all the rice in a packet and then we are stitching it. That means what? That is bootstrapping. For example, if you want to wear shoes, what you will do? You will put your foot in a boot and you will strap it. Understanding? So like that, entire application we will call in the app component and we will bootstrap it. That is what bootstrap means. Nothing that. Understanding about this point? Respond kindly, everybody.
Yes,
Not
sir.
getting, not able to understand actually.
Astor, which one you are not able to understand? Please tell me.
The before one,
Bootstrap.
is
See,
declaration.
this one. See, components you
Before,
need to input. Yeah. Within 1 minute you will understand it, Astor. Okay. Within 1 minute you will understand. Okay. What is the importance of this declaration? imports, you will understand with 1 minute. Okay, you can ignore this bootstrap. If you understand, it's okay. If you don't understand, leave it. Nothing to do with the bootstrap. Okay, right, just app component will be there, that's it. Okay, just blindly put the app component and that's it, leave it. But I will explain this declarations array and imports array within 2 minutes. Okay, right. So what is the thing you need to understand is, first, whatever the things related to Angular, whether it may be component or module or any other thing, service also, we are okay, any other thing, we must import into the app module at TS, and then we need to paste in the declarations array. Then only ng server will transfer that code into JavaScript. Whatever the things you are putting in the declarations array and imports array and this ng module especially, whatever the things you are specifying in the ng module, whether it may be declarations array also, imports are also, or else providers also, whatever the things you are pasting in the ng module, those things only converted into transpile into JavaScript. Then only browser can understand, and then only that related output will come in the browser. Okay, Ashutosh, is it clear for you? Respond everyone. Ashutosh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Every other person, Ajar, Akanksha, Dhanalakshmi, Divya,
Yes, sir.
Ram,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Partha,
Sir,
Pratyush.
I'm having one doubt, sir. So, how the packages will be installed, sir? Like after giving the ng, sir, will it be installed or else in the
No. I
package
will
JSON?
one second, Ravi. I will tell you how to install the package in the next class. Okay. By using npm we need to install. For example, see this npm space. Wait one second. npm space install space, like this we need to install. And then after we need to install the package name. So automatically that information will update here. What is the package name and what is the version? It will update here. Okay, Ravi?
Now, whatever packages are there, is it pre-installed, sir?
Yeah, they are predefined. They are pre-written packages, which is in Node.js server RL. Okay, Ravi? They are pre-written packages. Okay, right.
Okay.
Right. Now, what is the thing we need to do? This is it. And what this app model at TS, this is the heart of our application. And this is controller for the app component at TS is there. This is the controller for this component. Only this component. Okay. And you are seeing this app component HTML, right? This is the home page you are seeing in the browser. This is the page you are seeing in the browser. What is this? App component at HTML. See this. This is what you are seeing in the browser. Here. This is what you are seeing in the browser. Okay. For example, if you have any doubt, wait 1 second. Go there. Control J. What is this? Control J. Control A means select all. Delete. Because this is not important. This is just a dummy page. Okay. Right there. H1 tag. H1 greater than. Yeah, right there, Ram. This is Ramu Angular application. This is Ramu Angular application. This is Ramu Angular application. Save it. Save it. Now go to the browser and refresh. I think it is updating here. It is transferring here. You can find it here. Wait 1 second. Yeah, see it. It is generating this browser. Okay. Whenever you save it, automatically it is transferring here. Okay. Right. I told that yesterday. Whatever the code you have changes you make, automatically it will affect in the browser. How it will affect? Because automatically this ng server will transfer that whenever you make changes. Okay. That is advantage. Right. Now see here. Refresh. Sorry, minimize it. See that entire thing has gone. Only this is Ramu Angular application only coming. Right, everybody? Understand, right? What is our home page is? Respond, please. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ramesh.
Yeah,
Ramesh bro,
hello.
from NG, how we are reaching this HTML page? Hello.
Who?
Yoga here.
Yeah, tell me. Yoga.
From
Right.
yes,
Actually,
yes.
one second. This is little bit lengthy process, but if I tell in the starting class, you may confuse, but I will try to explain, okay? But don't get confused, everybody. Whenever you have typed there, local host column was 4200. From there, you need to understand, okay, Yoga, not this NG sir. Because whenever you have typed there NG sir, already it is running our application in the 4200, right? So we need to type in the browser first. Local host column 4200. From here onwards, you need to connect. Okay, Yoga? Hello?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yes,
Okay.
yes, clear.
So whenever you have typed there localhost column 4200, first which file will call is not this app component.html directly.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, which file will call is this main.ts. You can find it here. Wait one second. This main.ts, this one.
Okay.
There you can find YAP module. YAP module.
Yes. Yes, yes.
And here you can find YAP-root also. Yeah, wait one second. Okay, here you can find YAP module. Okay, and this YAP module, and not only this main.ts file will call automatic index.html. Okay, because every application will call automatic index.html. First of all, this
Yes.
main.ts will call. From there, this index.html and YAP module from the YAP main.ts, this YAP module.ts will call, and then after immediately this index.html is calling. See it here,
Yes,
index.html.
yes.
Okay, so this main.ts will call YAP module.ts as well as index.html both. And if you observe here, line number 11, what is this? YAP-root. Okay, everybody, what is it? YAP-root. Okay, now respond everyone. Do you know any tag called YAP-root in the HTML? Do you know any tag called YAP-root in the HTML?
No.
Respond kindly, everybody. Do you know any tag called YAP-HTML? No. But why we are writing like a tag? Because this is the selector related to YAP component. Where you can find it is here. YAP component.ts. This one. This one. See it? What is the selector? YAP-root.
So,
So this selector we need to use as a tag. Okay, this selector we need to use as a tag. Wherever you want to call, there we need to utilize as a tag. So first of all, main.ts will call. Internally, it will contain YAP module.ts and index.html. So in the index.html, entire application will load that related views. Understand everybody? Respond everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
index. Okay, right. Where we are calling this index, okay, what this index.html is calling? Just this YAP component. That means each and everything related to our application, we need to call in the YAP component. Okay, right. This is our home page. That means every application has a home page or not? Respond everyone. Every application has a home page or not? Respond please.
Yes,
So
Yes,
sir.
sir.
whatever you want to call in the home page, you want to call in the home page, that particular components we must call in the YAP component.html. Okay, this YAP component HTML will be loaded by index.html. This index.html will be loaded by main.ts. This is how it will work. That's why it can be called a single page application. Single page application means entire code related to our application we don't write in a single page, but entire application will run through single page. Entire application we will run through single page. That application is main.ts. That page is main.ts. Okay, that related that application there is a view, right? That views will load in the index.html dynamically. That views will load dynamically in the index.html. That's why it can be called as single page application. Understand it, everyone? Kindly respond. So what is the thing you need to understand is directly forget about this index.html main.ts. We are not going to write any single line of code also in the main.ts or index.html. Everything we need to work with that related component, and that component we need to call in the YAP component HTML. That's it. Understand? Only YAP component HTML. Clear it, everybody?
So, sir, so from main to index, index to app. That's
Yeah, that's it.
right, sir?
Yeah, Ravi, right, perfect. That's it. Okay, everybody, respond everyone. Astosh, you understand? Yoga, you understand? Hello?
Yes, Ramesh bro. Very clear, Ramesh bro. Thank you.
Yes. Astosh, you are not responding. Ajar, Akanksha.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, Vinita. Everybody,
Yes, sir.
Astosh, you are not
Yeah.
responding. Please respond, Astosh. You are muted. Yeah, thank you, Prithvi. Astosh, are you there? You are muted, Astosh. Okay. Yeah, Ram, you especially you understand because you are typing starting onwards.
Yes, sir.
Right. Astosh, you are not responding. Divya.
Yes, sir.
Divya.
Yes, sir. I already said yes.
Okay. Right. Yes. So one more time telling, whenever you have typed to the localhost colon 4200, first main.ts file will call. That main.ts file will call index.html. In the index.html, we are calling YAP component. And YAP module.ts is calling by main.ts. So whenever this main.ts is calling the YAP module.ts, in the YAP module.ts, ng module will call automatically. Whatever you are mentioning in the YAP module.ts, ng module, that will transfer into JavaScript. Then only we will write that related output. That component, every component have a view right. Respond everyone. Every component has a view right. Respond please.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That will load in the index.html. How? Through YAP component.html. Through YAP component.html. That's it. That is called single page application. So though we are having multiple pages, but all the pages will load individually according to our requirement in the index.html. So pages are loading dynamically according to our requirement. Okay, in a single page. That's why we can develop single page applications by using Angular, so that they will load very faster in the user's browser. Okay, right. Now we have only 5 minutes time, 5 to 10 minutes time. So I want to tell you about how to create component and how to call it in the home page. But in this 5 to 10 minutes, if I explain also, everybody will confuse. So tomorrow I will explain everything clearly. Okay, how to create a component and how to call it in the home dot YAP component HTML. Okay, I will explain this metadata and everything. Okay, this data is right. What is this @, component selector, template URL, style URL, everything tomorrow class I will explain very clearly. Okay, right. So tomorrow you will understand basic structure of Angular definitely. Okay, right. So thank you everybody. This is the class for today. Tomorrow I will explain the structure and we will implement some example. Okay, right. Thank you everyone. This is the class for today. Right. So whoever made the payment, please send your emails to the to me in the chat. Okay, right. I will give you the video access. Okay, yeah. Thank you everyone. This is the class for today.
So from Monday onwards, paid classes, sir. Or
Yeah, see, first 3 days, okay, first 3 days, you need to assume as demo classes. Okay, suppose you are coming today. Yeah, okay, Padri, thank you. Suppose you are coming from next Monday. Okay, so what happens? Monday to Wednesday, you need to take as a demo class. You need to understand demo classes. Of course, that is regular class only, but from where you are attending, from then to 3 days, demo class you need to assume. That's it. Okay,
okay.
yeah, yes. Who is this? Ravi or Yoga?
Ravi.
Ravi, okay, right. Thank you, everyone. Okay, right. So, yeah, thank you, Prithvira. Thanks for your making payment. So, yes, thank you. I will give the video access. Okay, right.
Thank you, bro. Bye.
Yeah, thank you. Right. Yeah, Prithvi will get the videos within 10 minutes. Okay, check your email. Akanksha, already I have given right. Akanksha, already I have given the right. Now, in that same drive, it will be uploaded. Okay, you don't get
Okay,
new.
okay, sir.
Okay? In the same drive, you can find it.
Okay,
Okay.
I thought you will send the new one.
Once I give the access means that is available. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, same folder. Okay. Yeah. I will upload this week videos by Friday. Okay. After completion of today, sorry, yesterday class, I will download all the videos and I will upload. Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Right. So I got only Prithvi email. Okay. Right. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Yes. Prithvi, are you attending to the computer right now? Hello, Prithvi. Are you attending to the computer? No. Wait 1 second. Okay, mobile, right? Okay, wait 1 second. Right now, I am giving the access. Angular June July videos is that is the folder name. Angular June July videos, that is our folder name. 22 underscore 830. Okay, right. Yeah. Wait 1 second. I am giving you the access. It is containing two subfolders, Angular videos and TS videos. Okay, you can watch the TS videos also, and the Angular videos also available. But this week your videos not available. Okay, so till then you can watch that Angular videos. Okay, sorry, this thing, TS videos. See it, Prithvi, you got that videos. Angular videos also there, and a TS videos also there. Angular videos are only introduction videos. Again, that videos are available this week also. Okay, this week videos only. And then after there is TS videos. You can watch it from 1 to 13. Okay, right. That's it, Prithvi. Okay, Prithvi. Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Prithvi, are you there? You're muted.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you, everyone. Okay, right. Thank you. Meet tomorrow.